If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture of Mathematics Intermediate level where we are seeing trigonometry part 1. So we will continue our discussions for these graphs where we are seeing the graphs of the various trigonometric function. So we will continue from cosec x today. Okay, then let's discuss this. Now you see cosec x. Now what is the cosec x? Concept of cosec x, if you see. Cosec x is, what is the cosec? It is reverse of sin x. Now if you see sin x, what was your sin x from 0 to pi? It was of this fashion. Sin x is this fashion. You can see this was sin x 0 to pi. Now we have already seen, if you take inverse of any value between 0 to 1, because all are fractions, it will be more than 1. So that's why your output is more than 1. At 1, if you take inverse, it is 1. But if it is 0.5, if you take inverse, it will be 2. If it is 0.1, it will be 10. 0.01, it will be take inverse, it will be 100. Similar here also. If your output is 0.01, then it will be, cosec will be 100. 0.001, it will be 1000, because you will be taking inverse of. So if you take inverse of fraction, it goes out. It goes out of 1. That is, it is. So that's why the output is goes out of 1. This is one limit output y, so it will go beyond that. Again, from here to here it will be negative, because here if you take inverse it will be negative. So you cannot put at pi, because you cannot put cosec 0. What is cosec 0? 1 by 0 infinite. So you cannot put. Again, if you come here, it will be, you will be thrown out of space. So these points again are critical points. So I cannot reach that point. So for domain again I have to deduct, and these points are the multiples of pi, you can see. And it is not even multiple. 0, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, even or odd. Any multiple you reach of pi, they will be thrown out. Here it will odd multiple only, 1, 3, because this is even multiple, 2 into pi by 2. Here you are not thrown out of space. Here you are in the line itself. So you have to remove any multiple of pi, that's why it is n pi. Your n is again any integer. What is range? Range you can see, it is from minus 1 to 1. It can come from minus 1 to 1. Your y value you can come from minus 1 to 1 and infinity to 1, but you cannot come below 1 or below minus or above minus 1. You can come from minus infinity to up to minus 1. You can see y value goes up to this. It is odd. Again you take this one, it is not just falling one above it, so it is odd. In mathematical also cosec cannot digest minus, as sine cannot digest, so cosec will not also digest. What is the period? Again you take this one, you copy, it will paste it. So period is same 2 pi like as sine. Discontinuous, yes it is discontinuous, you cannot draw it smooth. Y equal to fx sec x. So again you see sec x means cos x. What was your original graph for cos? Cos graph is this one. This was the original graph for cos. So if you take inverse like your cosec, it will go out of 1. So same here, it was graph was this negative value. So if you take fraction, it will be negative out of minus 1. So it will come this side. So if you take minus 0.5, it will be minus 2, minus 0.01, minus 100. So it will reach this. So again, what values you cannot reach? You cannot stand at pi by 2. You cannot stand at 3 pi by 2. So odd multiples. So that's why it is written as 2n plus 1 pi by 2. That is r minus odd multiples of pi by 2. So how to write odd multiples mathematically? So this is the way to write mathematically 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n is any integer. This is the way to model a or any odd number. What is range? Range you can see again same as cosec, minus infinity to it can 1, infinity to it can reach up to 1. Even function, yes it is even. If you take this one, you can see this curve will just come above this. So similarly there will be another curve, this will come follow. So you will just, this will just roll over the this sec curve. So it is even. You can see mathematical also sec will digest minus, because cos digest minus, so sec will also digest minus. Periodic, yes it is periodic. What is the period? Again 2 pi, you take 2 pi, a value of 2 pi up to from minus pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 you take, you cut it and you paste it, it will be same. Discontinuous, yes it is discontinuous. Cot x, same cot x like tan x, cot x 0, cot 0 is infinite now, cot pi by 2 is 0. So you will find this type of curve now. Again these are known as asymptotes, because it will follow this, it will never touch it. What is domain here? Same, you cannot reach 0, pi, 2 pi, any multiple of pi you cannot reach, that's why you remove. Range, minus infinity to infinity like 10x. It is odd function, yes it is odd function. If you take this one, you will not find it is just falling one above. And mathematically also cot minus x is minus cot x, it cannot digest minus like your 10x. It is periodic, yes it is periodic. You can see period is pi, you cut it, paste it, after a pi interval it will be same. Discontinuous, yes it is discontinuous, it is not continuous. Then I promised you, I will show you that proof. Sin A plus B equal to that famous formula. From this formula only all those trigonometric formulas, big formulas came. Using only this formula only for sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. All these four formula are the basic. In some formula they are adding, some formula they are multiplying. So let us see one proof. You can understand the proofs of other. So you see this one. These are very simple geometry only. 9-10 geometry. You take a angle A, that is OA. I have taken. This is reference. So this is angle A. Again I have taken OB. This is angle B. So from B I have drawn a perpendicular. Okay. From B I have drawn another perpendicular on this line. So this is also a perpendicular. From this point I am drawing this line. From here I have drawn this line. So all the perpendiculars you have seen. So now one thing you also see. You see this triangle and this triangle. This angle and this angle are same. These two angles are just opposite angle. This is 90, this is 90. So obviously this angle and this angle should be same. Because two angles are same, the third angle should be same. So this is A, so this is also A. One more time, this angle same, this is 90, so these and these are same. Okay, now if you need to find sin A plus B, what is sin A plus B? A plus B is this angle. What will be sin A plus B? You take this right angle triangle including this angle. So this is always height by hypotenuse, so BC by OB. Now BC can be written as BF plus FC by OB, so BF plus FC by OB. So BF by OB plus FC by OB. BF by OB, FC, you can write this FC and this DE are same because these two are parallel lines, both are perpendicular, and you have these two are also parallel. This is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular line. So these two are same. So again DE by OB. Now BF by, you see BF by, let me write it BD, BF by BD. I have introduced one more time BF by BD and then BD by OB. BD by OB. I have introduced just one BD here. You can cancel this BD, the same thing will come. Here I have introduced one OD only, so you can cancel OD, it will come. Now you write it, BF by BD, what it will be? BF by BD. You take this right angle triangle, this is, if this is your A, this is your base by hypotenuse, so base by hypotenuse is cos, so it is cos A. BD by OB, BD by OB. So you take this right angle triangle now, BD by OB, height by hypotenuse, so it is sin B. What is the angle? B. Same, DE by OD, DE by OD. So you take this right angle triangle, this is your A, this is height by hypotenuse, so it is sin. Next is OD by OB, OD by OB. So this is right angle triangle, base by hypotenuse, angle is B, so it is cos B. So as simple it is. With this you can prove anything. So that's why I thought you should understand from where it is coming. All the formulas are not coming from heaven. There is some proof of each and every formula. You have to have some idea and you have to know it is coming from some of the, in some kind of derivations it is coming, and it has some physical meaning also. So these graphs will give you the physical meanings of sin x, cos x, tan x. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.